Everyone, Katie here from Clark's Tendence. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a really quick tutorial on how to layer, heat transfer, or iron on vinyl. This is a great way to customize your projects even more and use different colors for your iron on projects. We are making my son's Batman and Robin costumes, and so as I thought about the different options, I decided layering the vinyl would be the best option to make everything look smooth and as professional as possible. So I'll go ahead and show you. This is a great thing you can do with simple or complex projects that require more than one color. On Design Space, I uploaded the Batman symbol and the yellow background. I want these to be on top of each other for the iron, so I'll be layering them. So first, just make sure you have all your items. I would make them the color that you want them to be. You can come over to the panel for each item and select what color you want it to be. This makes it so it's easier to visualize how it looks, and you can make it look exactly how you want it in Design Space. And also when you go to press Make It, it will separate all of them into the specific colors that you've set them as. So you can have all the yellow items printing at the same time and all the black or purple or whatever colors you're using. They'll all go to the correct mats based on the colors that you put in here. So now I'm going to combine them together. I'm going to put the Batman, layer that on top of the yellow oval, and when I do the example at the end of this, it will be with the Robin symbol, but I'm just using the Batman for now. And then you just press Select All, and then you come over here and press Group. You don't want to attach, you don't want to weld, you just want to group them together so you can easily manipulate the size. And so just do that at the end, right when you're trying to decide the size of your project. So I've done that now, and I'll come over here and press Make It. And as I mentioned earlier, it divides the vinyl into the sections divided depending on color. So my black items are in this black mat, and I love how in Design Space it actually changes the color of the mat to show what vinyl or material color you're using. And it's good for visual reminder, so you're always putting the right material in there. You also want to then press Mirror for each mat, just so it mirrors. I mean, with the oval it doesn't matter as much, but
you want the Batman.
and with the Batman, anything symmetrical it doesn't matter as much, but it's just a good habit to get into when you're doing iron-on projects. And now you'll just press Continue. I'll turn on my machine. You'll select the machine that you're using. And this works with, glitter iron-on, the light iron-on, all sorts of iron-on projects. You can do this similar technique. I'd be a little more hesitant doing it with the foil, but you might be able to. Let me know if you try that. So just press the iron-on button. Make sure that the fine point blade is in there, and then you'll just load everything in and cut it. And we'll get to that point, or I'll show you what to do after you've cut all your materials out. So after you've cut the vinyl in all the colors that you want, I recommend layering it before you put it onto your shirt or your bag or whatever you're working on, just so you can make sure you know exactly how you want it and make sure it fits together. So now that I have that, I'm going to come over to my shirt. I'm going to place it where I want as the whole design. Kind of, I think right there would be good. And then I'm going to peel up the other layers that are already on there, or the ones that are on top. So I just have the first layer. So I'm going to use my Easy Press. It's already heated up. And I'm going to press the timer button, and hopefully this works. So let's see. Okay, so now let's pull it up. Oh, perfect. Oh, it just went on there perfectly. So now I'm going to put the next layer. With this I only have 2 layers, but you just repeat this process for all of the layers you have. I'll go ahead and press that on there. Press the Cricut button. I'll let it cool a little bit. And you can pull it up. Look, looks perfect. And that's how you layer vinyl. This is a very simple one, but you can do it with complex projects, any number of colors you want. And it turns out it's a great way to kind of make logos and just make it look a little more unique, your project you're working on.